fastest way to catalyze impact to a very young population. As part of our deep tech vertical, we look at AI, and people were saying, what kind of AI is going on in Africa? But it's actually a lot of applications for AI that we see and that we're talking to. I'll give an example, right? There's a company in Senegal, very, very brilliant folks. The founder is ex-Google, the founder, super smart, Senegalese. The maps on your phone, the Google Maps, will help develop that, and there's AI behind it. So the talent is actually in Africa. It's built a company called Kera Health. And Kera Health is not replacing a doctor. It's kind of making doctors a lot more efficient. So when you look at Africa, like I said, the birth rate is going up, but the doctor population is actually reducing because as soon as you're a doctor, most times you're leaving the continent. So the ratio of patients to doctor in Africa is actually abysmal, is the lowest in the world, and the trajectory is getting worse. But with AI, you can make one doctor look like 50 doctors. And so that, in our example, is a win-win-win. We're investing in AI not just because of fad or putting in money. We're investing on the application. The impact is real, the economics is real, and the value add is actually real, right?